Bought a Sony TV expecting amazing Dolby Atmos sound, but all you hear is plain audio? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many Sony TV users face this issue where Dolby Atmos doesn't output properly. In this video, I'll explain the main reasons and give you step-by-step solutions so you can finally enjoy that cinematic Atmos sound experience. Step 1. Check your source device. First, make sure your source device actually supports Dolby Atmos. Not all apps or HDMI devices send Atmos signals. For example, Netflix requires a premium plan and specific content labeled with Atmos. If you're using a Blu-ray player, Fire Stick, or gaming console, confirm that Dolby Atmos is enabled in its audio settings. Step 2. Verify HDMI ARC/eARC settings. Most Sony TVs only send Dolby Atmos through HDMI ARC or eARC ports. If your soundbar or AV receiver is connected to a normal HDMI port, Atmos won't work. Check your TV's HDMI ports. Look for one labeled ARC or eARC, usually HDMI 3. Then, go to your TV's audio settings and make sure eARC mode is set to auto and digital audio out is set to auto 1 or pass-through. Step 3. Update TV and apps. Sometimes, Atmos fails because of outdated software. Go to Settings, System, Software Update, and check for the latest firmware. Also, update apps like Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime Video. Many Atmos issues are fixed with simple updates. Step 4. Configure your sound system. If you're using a soundbar or home theater system, make sure it's Atmos compatible. In the device settings, enable Dolby Atmos or Bitstream. Avoid using Bluetooth for Atmos, as it requires HDMI or optical connections. If you still don't get Atmos, try resetting your soundbar and repairing it with your TV. And that's it. By checking your source device, enabling eARC, updating your TV, and configuring your sound system, you can fix the Dolby Atmos problem on your Sony TV. Now you're ready to enjoy true cinematic sound at home. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other Sony TV users.